Welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove ads from your Samsung Smart TV. So let's start by going to settings by pressing the settings button on the remote control, then open settings, and in settings we want to go to all settings, navigate down to general and privacy, and here we all have to go to terms and privacy. Now in my case terms and privacy will be in different language, so I'm gonna have to explain to you what to search for. So you're gonna need to search for either personalized advertisements or internet-based ads here. In my case it's this option. It's the fifth option from the top, but maybe in your case it's something different. So basically what we have to do is select this option and then uncheck this checkbox, click agree, and after that let's also go to System Manager, select Samsung account, select your account, press bottom down arrow key to select my account, and now here we're gonna have to navigate to security and privacy and open this menu. After that let's navigate to customization service. And here you can disable customization service if you want to by switching this toggle off. Also go to, and be aware that the changes to the settings will can take up to 48 hours to take effect, but it's not everything. Let's also go to improve personalized ads and disable this feature right here, improve personalized ads with Samsung account data. And now last thing is get news and special offers. Let's also disable this feature here. After that let's press the home button to return to the home menu and go back to settings. And now in settings also I want you to make sure that in general and privacy System Manager you have the home mode selected as usage mode. Make sure of that and make sure that you don't have a retail mode enabled, as the retail mode will show you ads all the time. And now the last thing for the best ad security that you can do is go to connection, then select network, then select network status. Your device will connect with your network, and now what we need to do here is navigate to IP settings, then navigate down to DNS setting and change it from get automatically to enter manually, and now select DNS server option right here, and let's change it to the AdGuard DNS server. The AdGuard DNS servers for Samsung Smart TV are 94. So let's enter 94. Then right arrow key. No. To switch to the next field. Then 140. Then then right arrow key to select the third field, and then you can enter in the last two fields. You can either enter 14, then 14 in the second one, or you can also try 15 in both of the last fields if these don't work for you. These are the default DNS addresses, and if you want, you can also use the 14.15 in the last two fields, or 15.16 if you want to enable the family protection servers of AdGuard, which will block your ads, tracking modules, and also content for adult content, and it will enable the safe search and safe mode wherever it can. But this particular DNS address will block the ads on your TV, so let's press OK. Then let's press OK once again, and let's see if your device is connects to the internet. If it doesn't, change 14.14 to 15.15 and try once again. And at this point, that's basically it. And all of these adjustments should not only remove ads from your Samsung TV itself, but also from streaming services that have ads in them. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.